Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Adobe Acrobat. So the Adobe Acrobat does not automatically generate a table of contents, the TOC we call, from your PDF. So you can create one manually by adding a TOC page and linking each entry to its corresponding page for automatic TOCs. So create the document in the original ordering application such as Microsoft Word before converting it to PDF. So guys, you will need to create the manual table of contents first, right? So just open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro right here, and yeah, it requires the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat, so you will need to get the plan first. Double click on it and insert a blank page at the beginning of the document if needed, right? So to do that, you will need to go right here on the left hand menu bar and then just click it, and then go here, insert page, click on that plus icon on the blue color, and then go with blank page, right? So it will be set up on the top of the pages, right? And then guys, you will need to go to the all tools here at the top left corner under the menu, and then go with edit a PDF, right? So then you will need to type the title table of contents and add a list of second or section or chapter titles with the corresponding page number. Then just format the text as desired and save the PDF. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.